Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you don't know me, hi, I'm Tita. For today's video, I am finally turning my iPhone into somewhat of an aesthetic kind of tool. Now that you already know the apps that I'm going to be using, or at least the apps that I installed in order for me to be making these aesthetic makeover of my iPhone, let's move on to the actual makeover. This is the home screen. I really wanted something simple so I can just do the makeover with you guys. And then this is my home screen. So the first step when doing these kind of makeovers that I like to do not only on my iPhone but also on my iPad and also on my computer is obviously just go through all the apps that I have and kind of declutter, because it's very important not only for me to have a clear phone, more organized phone, but storage that all the apps that you don't need take, it's just not necessary. So I highly recommend whenever you are doing these kind of makeovers or starting, for example, a new era of your life, to just go through all of your tech devices and kind of just delete all the things that you don't need, just in order for you to have a more organized space to work with or to just be around. So let's go, let's start doing the makeover. So the first app that I want to go, it's Aesthetic. This app, as you can see, you have the widgets that you can add. There's a paid version and then there's a free version. I don't mind just having the free version because I think it already looks very aesthetic with only that feature. Then you have the icons. The icons is the thing that I don't really like about it. Just seems too chaotic. Then the wallpapers. This is so stunning. I love the standard wallpapers that they have, and so I'll just choose one from those if I can. They're so beautiful. Honestly, like, I don't even know which one to pick, but I'll just go with the Dreamer. So already downloaded the image, and then I'll just download other one for the home screen. And I feel like this one will be the one. So that's it for the wallpapers, and then I'm also going to be creating these widget templates that they already have. You can edit the design, you can edit like everything, and I feel like with this app we are good to go, and then we'll use everything that we've downloaded to make the makeover. Then I'm going to the app I Am. Here I already set it up kind of just because I wanted to use it, but basically you can just have a bunch of different kind of quotes that they send you. You basically just create your own mix, you create the purpose, you create everything whenever you install the app, and then you can also customize it how it looks like. I feel like I'm a very standard person and I like it how it already is, but I might go with this one actually. One thing that I really like to do is to use the app that already exists for the iPhone called Shortcuts to create the app icon. So I'm just looking for an app that I can easily create all the shortcuts for me, because just that takes so much time to do. It's the only thing that I don't really like to do whenever doing these makeovers, just because it is very time consuming. But I really like how this motivation thing is going. Then you have lock widgets. Here you have app launchers. You can add to your lock screen and you can easily go to that app. So that's one thing that I really want to have. Okay, then I added the countdown one for the challenge that I'm about to start. And now I'm going to also add the app launcher, and you can either have the normal icon or this kind of transparent one. I rather have that, so I'm going to be setting that, and as it is saved I'll just click OK, go back, and I also feel like I wanted to have the WhatsApp, so yes. Now that's set. Then you have the Widgetable app, and here is one app that is going viral on TikTok where you can easily connect with your friends that already have an iPhone, and you can just basically send them I miss you text and they'll just buzz on the phone as well, and then you just have basically a lot of interactive things that you can have on your phone. Now I'm just going to customize the lock screen, and we are going to go to my home screen. So for you to customize your lock screen, one thing that you want to do is to just long press the lock screen, and then this just appears. So I'm going to click on the plus item here on the blue, and then I'm just going to choose photos. So we can go through the gallery and choose the photos that we want. And then I'll just click on the Friday, September, on the dates part. And here I am going to click on the I am widgets. So they can just have here my quotes of motivation. That's very nice. Then I'm going to click on the time, and I'm going to choose another typography. I really like the one that is already there, like this one. I feel like that's the most elegant one, but I want to have a serif one, so I might go like this. And then you can also change the colors, the intensity of the colors. Then I'll just add here on the add widgets, and this is where you're gonna go through all of the widgets that you already had from previously apps or other things. Add them here. I'm going to go to lock screen and add the rectangular one. Here I'll click to edit and the countdown. Then I'm going to add one little one and have WhatsApp and Instagram. I might change the photo actually. Basic. Yes, this is perfect. You can add filters to the photos. I actually don't like them, and I feel like this is a great way to have it, but I really like it. So one thing that I'm going to be doing now is to click on add up here, and then you can either set as a wallpaper pair. This will basically have your wallpaper as you chose, and then the home screen wallpaper will be the same exact picture but just blurred. But you can customize, and this is my advice to you. I would just choose customize home screen. You can decide if it's blurred, if it's not. You can change the photo if you'd like, or you can do gradients or colors, solid colors. Sometimes I just like to have different photos as a home screen, for example, and as a lock screen. And so if that's something that you like as well, you click here on photos and you just go through your library here with it all, and yeah, you basically just pick the photo that you like. I'll have the same one for now, and I'll click. Then for me to just set as my wallpaper, I'll just choose it like this, and it's done. But this is going to be kind of like my day wallpaper, because then I have one that I really love, which I basically just add here again on the plus version, and I go to astronomy. I love these moon details at night. I feel like just something about it. Now I'm just going to customize it all. I'm going to add again the quotes, and here on the date I'll just put the same as it was, and then on the widgets I'll do the same. And then that's my home screen and lock screen. I really love it. This is what it looks like at night. One thing that I'll just do is to set these as the sleep focus. That means whenever I turned on the sleep focus, this will just have it here. So to edit your home screen, what you're gonna do is to just long press on your home screen and then add this little button here, and you have a bunch of widgets where you can choose from. I'll actually choose the aesthetic one because I really like the step counting. I feel like that's a great way to start. I'm actually going to remove some widgets just so I can start fresh. I'm going to add one page of like just motivational stuff, and then another one for more productivity kind of stuff. I'm downloading now another app called Color Widgets, because it's also an app that a lot of people use to custom widgets and icon changers. And so let's see if I can finally change the icons. We actually have themes as well here, so you can choose from. And you have minimal, aesthetic. Probably they're all pro versions. Some of them are not, which is great if you want to have yours. Oh! image, it's from my small business. What? That picture is a screenshot from my Instagram post. What? I'm shook. Can I download it? Yes, I want the set of icons. These always take so much time because I just get like, it's just a rabbit hole, you know. From here, you just start customize everything and then hours passes. So now I have installed all the icons, and one thing that I'm going to be doing is to set one page as kind of like motivational quotes and motivational space, and then another one for productivity. Now I'm just going to go through all of the icons that I have here and just kind of set up everything. Okay, so I have the workspace as I love. Now I'm just clicking done, and this is the phone. Now I'm just going to Pinterest. I'm going to search for backgrounds, and then I'll just have it to change on the home screen. This one, I'll just download it. So this is what my phone looks like. It took a while for me to get to this point just because I get so excited to, whenever I'm just exploring new themes, features, icons, everything, I just get like, what if there's other things that I can do? And so I just dig in, and then it's like hours since I started this video. But this is the iPhone that I have right now. I'm very happy. I can't wait to start these 90 days glow up challenge. If you want to know all about it, you can follow my TikTok. I'll do a daily post about it. So that was the video, guys. I really hope you guys liked it. Here you could see some apps that can really help you to just turn your iPhone into a very aesthetically pleasing tool. I'm very happy about this video because now I feel like I have such an amazing tool with me that I can just, I don't know, feel more calm and relaxed with. I really hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye! Stay safe and stay happy.